Let's compare a couple of more cube trains. So now I've built this green cube train and I've built this blue one. What can you tell me if I ask you to compare the length of those two cube trains? I bet the first thing you told me was, line them up at the same place, Mrs. Junta. Absolutely. Get them both lined up using that dotted line so that they're in the same place. And now, as you look at them, you can easily tell which one is longer and which one is shorter. The green cube train is longer and the blue cube train is shorter. Now, if we want to be precise and use our non-standard units, which are, in this case, my units are my Unifix cubes, my cubes. How many cubes long is that cube train on the top? How many cubes long is that green cube train? This one right here. Let's count them together using one-to-one correspondence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted carefully, saying one number name each time I touched exactly one of these cubes. 7 was the last number I said, so 7 is the number that tells me how many cubes are in that green cube train. 7. 7 cubes long. How about the blue one? Do you have to count each one? You could use a couple of different strategies. You could match them up if you remembered that this was 5 and know that the blue cube train had 5. If you didn't remember or recognize that this was 5, if you didn't subitize that, you could count backwards. What was this? 7, 6, 5. If you matched them up, you would know that the blue cube train had 5. Or you could also just use the one-to-one correspondence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to find out that you have 5 cubes in that train. So then we can use our comparison statements. We can compare using our math words. The green cube train is longer than the blue cube train. The blue cube train is shorter than the green cube train. And we can be very precise by saying the green cube train has 7 cubes and the blue cube train has 5 cubes. You can go ahead and get some practice with your cubes, making different size trains and comparing them, different lengths of trains and comparing them. Or if you're not using cubes, whatever math unit or math tool you are using.